loaded up. And she headed to the crib. Boy, this car stuff is crazy. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with all of us that got anything to do with these cars? Damn. Okay. Yeah, I only got 12% on my camera, but MayRose is back at the house, man. Back at the house. I got a lot of stuff I gotta talk to y'all about that gotta get done, and yeah. But Bear sitting up in here. Got the transmission up in here. Transmission in there. It done moved a little bit too. I hope it ain't leak no fluid out of me. Cause that's gonna be bad. Well, nah, it could've. Nah, it slid. It didn't rock over. It slid. So, yeah. We got a few things, man. We gotta talk about with MayRose, man. And get some stuff done. I'm gonna have to really get to it, so all this stuff can be done, man. But yeah. Big Baby, MayRose, back up in here again. Let's talk to him. Yeah. But anyway, man, I'm gonna close this video out. Just wanted to show y'all that, man. Take y'all with me on that little footage. Take y'all with me on that little journey, man, of getting her back to the crib. I hope y'all continue to stay with me, man, throughout the journey of getting MayRose 2.0 together. So that being said, man, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Man, like, comment, man. Comment and let me know what's up. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Let me know y'all feeling. How y'all feeling about a certain thing. Any certain thing. It don't matter, you know what I'm saying, with the car or whatnot. Also, like I said, I showed y'all in the other video, man, that I got that light. I got that light now, so we're gonna be doing some damn, what am I doing? We're gonna be doing some more man cave videos, man. You know what I'm saying? Some more man cave videos. And yeah, hopefully I can keep y'all entertained with that. But yeah, as far as anything else goes, yeah, man, you know, like I said, we're gonna close this video out. Yo, what's happening, man? Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Yes, sir. This video probably gonna be, man, a little short. It's gonna be a little short. It's gonna be a little different. So I remember telling y'all that I wanted to start doing cigar content, and I wanted to start doing man cave content. And in order for me to do that, I needed to change up a few things, which I still got some stuff I need to change up because I gotta get all this stuff out of here. I've been working out in here, and I got weights and medicine balls and all kind of stuff in here, and I got cigar stuff and all kind of stuff. But also, you know what I'm saying, I know in order for me to bring y'all along on this man cave journey, we was gonna need some lighting. And this lighting ain't it. It's cool, but it look, you know what I'm saying, like it look crazy. So what I did was I knew I needed some more lighting, so went on Amazon, man, went and bought me some lighting, man. And I ain't opened it yet. I just got it today. I haven't opened it, so I thought, what better way to do this than to open it with y'all? So assuming this the name of it. Araday, or what? I don't know. I'm assuming that's the name of it though. And yeah, man. Let's jump right into this unboxing of this, man. Get us some light in here. Now, like I said, I don't know. I just seen this on Amazon and it said, I think it said top seller or best seller or something like that. It's kind of like a recommended thing, so I just got it. So I'm assuming that's the legs of it. Let's fold it up. Okay, nothing else in the box. So, how are we gonna open this? Right here. Is this my first unboxing on the channel? I got hinges on this junk. What's it? Hinges. Okay, display. I don't know what none of that stuff mean. You got your things to hold your phone, look like. Oh, you got a key fob, like a fob. Okay. Got some little, I don't know if that's instructions or not, but it's a 14 inch ring light with a 62 inch tripod stand. So it stands 62 inches. And the ring itself is 14 inches. What's this? Oh, I guess this is, I don't know what this for. I don't know what this for. I don't know what's in the tripod. I guess that's you plugged it. Okay, you plugged it into this, so they didn't send no block or nothing. So you have to use what you got. Okay. Little travel case. I see it open up with a little bungee string or whatever. Okay. Nice little tripod here. Okay, so this screw in there. Let me see how you open this. Oh, you just fold it out. Just fold it out like this. I thought it was bigger than this though. Just fold it out like this, I guess. So what we got in here? That's just one mount. Yeah, that's just one. That's for the cell phone. So, I don't know what these screws go to. Yeah, screw in there. I guess we're gonna figure it out, man. But cause I don't know. If this screw into that, something must be missing. Some pieces missing or something. No, this. Okay, this slide in there. I don't know what this other stuff for. But yeah. So let me get this tripod, y'all. Hold on. So focus. My camera not focusing. Okay, so this the tripod. This is it. Eye level with me. I got the camera eye level. Tripod go up to there. So that's more than enough height, I assume. Well, I ain't gonna say I assume. That's more than enough height. So the light will be up here. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Let me hook this up real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so with this, I already see a problem. So this little rubber piece right here, or a little felt piece, or whatever it is too thick for the actual ring light to go on there. So I had to take this out to put the ring light on. And then I don't even know how that's gonna fit on the with that cell phone mount, but I probably never use a cell phone mount anyway. But yeah. So it's just a little, like a little grommet or whatever. Well, it's just like a little roll piece with some, it says some sticky stuff on the other side. But if you put this on now, I'm trying not to drop it. It's spinning. Hold on. Yeah, you put that on now. Just fold your light up. There it is. It's only gonna go on without that piece on there. So let me plug it up. I don't even know. It don't say how many. I'm sure I gotta have a battery for this. Oh no, I don't. It's already working. So Bluetooth shutter. I don't know what that's about, but take this cord, yep, put this in there. Plug this over here. We got action. Whoa. What's that? Oh, that's the colors. That's the colors. Can y'all see these colors changing? Can y'all tell? Damn, man. My tripod on my camera is gone. Can y'all see these colors changing? Yeah. So, we got some light, man. Let me see. Y'all know I like the ultra LED type. So, if I'm let me see. Right there. No, they ain't facing me. Put the light right there. Yeah, so now we got some light, man. You know what I'm saying? We can be in the man cave, making man cave videos, man. Got that good light over there. And I think with this thing here, you can put it through this little slot right here. I think that's how it go. Nope. It ain't going in there. Or I don't know. Well, I don't know nothing about none of this. But anyway, we got some light, man, so we can start making us some videos, man. Yeah. So that's really all I wanted to show y'all, man. I ain't finna try to do this because this is for, y'all see it say iOS and Android. I ain't finna do that right now because I ain't got no phone hooked up to this, so I ain't gonna worry about that. But yeah, we got us a ring light, man, so we can get us some footage in here in the man cave. Have us some man cave talks, man. So yeah. Now I gotta go and get the man cave cleaned up, and really need to start my paint process, man. Get the ceiling, get the popcorn off the ceiling, get my paint for my walls, and yeah, that's how that's gonna have to go, man. So I guess that's it. Aura Day, whatever the name of that is, but like I said, that's not even as tall as it go. Like it can go taller than it. Oh, that's way up toward the ceiling, up, boy. Yeah. So yeah, man, y'all be on the lookout for that, man. Man cave videos, man cave restoration, man cave, whatever you want to call it, man. We're gonna be doing videos in here, cigar content, all that good stuff right there, man. Bringing that to the channel, cause we got lighting. We got some good lighting, man. Let me see. Turn that thing up one time. Yeah, y'all see that thing bright, boy. That thing bright. I like it. But yeah, man. Anyway, it's your dog, man. Look, man, this was just a video of me putting out there, man. So if you don't mind, man, I wish that y'all will go ahead, man, and share this with somebody. Get somebody in the loop, man. Comment, cause I like y'all feedback. Subscribe, man. Go ahead, subscribe. It don't cost you nothing. Do that. You know what I'm saying? Bring yourself on in, man. Bring yourself on inside the nation, man. So yeah, with that being said, it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. Catch y'all on the next one.